Holy night. Holy night. Holy night. Everybody went.
For Christmas. Hey! What do you come?
I dressed to kill at the same time. How do my brother man? You know I be for the Christmas.
Yes, sir.
And when I be children of Christmas or where I So this Christmas period, I no one make any of my children lose their life anymore. In the past Christmas or in the previous Christmas or at the previous Christmas or onto previous Christmases, so many people have died because of ignorance, because they lack knowledge, because they lack ignorance, because they lack ignoramus.
Hey.
But this Christmas, enough is enough. This is called Operation Caution Yourself.
Hey.
Operation Be Careful.
Spoil the road and spoil the child.
But the spoil the child. Everybody must open his eyes this period. You are no longer going to make the mistakes our past heroes has made. This time around, I want everybody to open his or her eyes because I am on a mission. And whenever I dress like this, I dress to kill. Whether in the other way or whether in that way. Just find out what my mission is all about. Okay. I am coming. But it is for good though. It is for good. As to be forewarned is to be forearmed. Okay, now what here? What Jesus says so. Whap, whap, whap. You know what I mean? Holy night. Holy